Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Night Stream, where we talk about gaming news, pop culture, and anything that I find to be entertaining. Now, if you don't know, I'm a huge car guy. And I recently heard of the Lamborghini Aventador successor, which is this Revuelto. And let me tell you, this thing looks insane. I wanted to watch the Lamborghini officially brought out a trailer that's like 2 minutes long. So I kind of want to have a fresh eyes on this. I haven't seen it yet because listen, we want to hear what this V12 hybrid electric thing is all about, right? Because I don't know if you've ever heard a 12-cylinder Lamborghini on the street. It is something really special. So let's check this video out. I'm sure it's gonna look amazing. Are they in Siberia? Man, this is intense. For a car, like a car trailer, this is kind of intense. They spare no expense here with this. Ooh, you hear that sound? The bull. I got goosebumps. Oh man, look at that thing. Now remember, it has
a new creature is born.
The
first plug-in hybrid V12 engine.
Three electric motors on this thing. Oh. Ooh. It still sounds good.
The sound of the engine with the light of a new beginning.
Woo! Woo!
Finally together.
Oh, that's something, huh?
Introducing the high-performance electrified vehicle.
I mean, oh, it looks like it has active aero.
Electric age with the roar of our history.
Hey, this is pretty great. Not gonna lie. The bullhead and everything there. That's cool, man. That's freaking cool. Paddle shifts. Naturally, I mean, obviously.
New Lamborghini Revuelto.
Revuelto. Hey, you know what? That's pretty legit, guys. That's the first time, like, I saw it moving and everything and hearing it, you know? And here on Car and Driver, I just brought this up, and I only went through bits and pieces of this. 6.5 liter V12 makes 814 horsepower. Has 3 electric motors. It does have EV only range. I mean, this thing looks it looks beastly. Now, we saw in the video, it obviously has active aero in the back. 2 electric motors on the front axle for torque vectoring. 8-speed dual clutch transmission. 3.8 kWh kilowatts battery. Can produce peak current flow of 187 horsepower. Can be between the 3 147 horsepower electric motors. Oh. Wow. Battery port is recharged inside the front luggage compartment. The frunk? And the awkward location suggests it is only intended for infrequent use. More fun, although less green. With the option to replenish it using the V12, which turns the rear electric motor into a generator. Doing that just takes 6 minutes to top up the battery. Oh, wow. I mean, it looks great. I'd love to see. Oh, here's the interior. We need to see the interior. Oh, I hate slideshows, man. I hate slideshows. I really do. The back is interesting. I mean, it looks nasty. Don't get me wrong. I don't know how I feel. I mean, these are two very large exhausts. There's the interior. You know, people say that they don't like the flat bottom wheels. I like them. But then again, I haven't really driven a car aside from my racing simulator that has a flat bottom. So I can't really have too much of an opinion, but you gotta love the ignition, the ignition button, like straight out of a fighter pilot. I mean, look at that big display in the center console there. I bet you see this on the street, man, and you're just going, whoa. It's legit. The Lamborghini. You have all the fun features on here. There's the EV button, which I'm assuming just turns the EV on and off. I don't know. Carbon fiber, Alcantara. Oh, look at that. That dash is just like a pop-up screen. Like it doesn't go into the dashboard. Carbon fiber, paddle shift. Gotta love that ignition button right there. That passenger side screen too? No, is it? Is that the passenger side? There's is that just for a photo op, or are there lights in the back to light up the motor? Hey, that's pretty cool. That's pretty legit. Oh wow! So you could drive at night and have that lit like that to show off the motor. Oh, that's impressive. That's cool. Rims look really nice. Just imagine the size of these brakes. Yeah, I think it's pretty great, guys. That's it, man. I mean, the Lamborghini Revuelto. I can't say it as cool or as sexy as the Italians can. But what do you guys think? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. Hit that sub button. That's some news. I'll talk to you guys soon.